girls? Eyes on me. All right, boys and girls, eyes on me. That back table over there, what did I just say? Eyes on me. I really like the way this front table is quiet. This front table is being very quiet. Quiet. Now when we are quiet, we can listen to the teacher. We can listen and hear what our teacher has to say. So thank you, front table, for being very quiet. Now boys and girls, what if I told you that math is more than just, who remembers what sign language this is? Now if we don't know, we can always look at our sign chart. Math is more than just numbers. Math is more than just numbers. More than just numbers. Math is everywhere and anywhere. Tommy, you say no? Miss Maria thinks yes. Math is everywhere. Now, who here walked to school? Raise your hand. Whose parents drove them to school? And who walked to school? Wonderful. What if I told you that what we are learning about polygons is all over? Polygons can be found in our classroom, in our home, and in our world out there. Now, who remembers the definition of a polygon? It's okay if you don't, because we do have our word wall that'll help us remember what polygon is. And if you don't remember, you can look at the definition on our word wall. Tommy, what is a polygon? Wonderful. That's right. A polygon is a two-dimensional with straight lines, and it's closed off. That's wonderful. Now, what if I told you that on your way to school, you saw many polygons? Again, you don't believe me. You say no. Miss Maria says yes, you did. Now, what if I told you that on the way to school, you probably saw a stop sign? Now, who remembers the sign language for stop? That's right. And we can look up here at our sign language and remind ourselves that stop, this is the sign language for stop. So what if I told you that on the way to school you saw a stop sign? It looks something like this. Now boys and girls, a stop sign is a polygon. Now what kind of polygon is this? No, Tommy, it's not a hexagon. This has 8 sides, so it's called an octagon. So what I want you to do is every group is going to have a bag that's going to have different polygon shapes. I want everyone to go ahead and grab your bag and make polygons. And we're gonna do this together, and then you're gonna work in small groups. But what you can do is you can grab the sticks and make the polygon shapes. And if you need a little extra help, you can use the shapes as well that are cut off for you. But let's go ahead and do one together. A triangle. A triangle. Let's look up here. A triangle on our board. How many sides does a triangle have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. That's right, boys and girls. A triangle is a polygon that has 3 sides. Now, who remembers what the sign language for 3 is? Look at Miss Maria. Can you make the 3, the sign language for 3? And if you don't remember, you can look up here at our sign language board. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and find the 3 sticks that are blue and make your triangle. And then go ahead and put your picture inside. Now let's make another shape. What about a square? A square is another form of polygon. And how many sides does a square have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now who remembers what the sign language for 4 is? Can everybody do this? 4. This is the sign language for 4. Now we're learning these, so these are relatively new, and if you need a reminder, you can always look at the board here. Now let's do another shape together. Now this one's a little harder. What about hexagon? A hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have? Well, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. Now, who remembers? This one's hard. What is the sign language for 6? Does everybody remember this? 6. Again, you can always look back on your board if you need a reminder. 6. So a hexagon has 6 sides. And what I want you to do is find the sticks and make a hexagon. And then when you're done, put the picture inside. Now the more you do this, the more you will become familiar with the different types of polygons. Now boys and girls, if you need help, you need to raise your hand. Okay, so what is the sign language for help? Let's look up here in case we don't remember. If you need help, I need you to please raise your hand. Then, boys and girls, when you're all done, finished or all done, this is the sign language for all done. It's right over here as well. Then you can move on to the next activity on our board. Thank you so much.